Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this tempura shrimp labubu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw two curves out and bring it up. Now underneath, let's draw a large curve down and up for the shape of the eyes. Now inside each of the eyes, we're going to draw a large oval on the right side. And then add a circle inside at the top. And that's it for the eyes. Now, in between, let's draw the nose, starting with the curve. And two angles down, meeting at a point underneath. Now we're going to hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left side next to the eye, and let's draw a curve down and bring it up on the right. Now let's hop underneath in the center and let's draw a V-shaped point on both sides for the teeth. And then let's work our way out and up on both sides. Now that we're done the mouth, we can draw the shape of the face. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up to the left and bring it down. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And now let's close it off with a large curve across the bottom and up. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw two bumps. And let's continue that bumpy line over and down on both sides. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the ears. Let's start with a curve up and back down on the left. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve in the same way to add a border. And then from the bottom, let's draw two curves up, meeting at a point. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the shape of the body. On the right side, we're going to draw two bumps down. Now let's hop over to the left side, and for this side, let's bring it down. And then let's curve it over to the right and continue it across the bottom. Now at the end, we're going to start to curve it up and then bring it back around to the other side. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the arms. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a bumpy line down towards the center, and the same thing on the other side. Now underneath, let's draw a bumpy line down on the left and on the right, touching in the center. And then let's curve each of them outwards. And that's it for the arms. Lastly, on the right side, let's add the tail. Let's draw a large curve out and curve it back in. And then let's add 2 curves inside. Then hop underneath and let's draw one more curve down and back in. And that's it for the shrimp tempura labubu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!